guys, today we're going to be looking at the inside of a hybrid car computer system, one that broke down on the highway, leaving my grandpa stranded. And this is it. It's a BMW and not look like a computer system, but it is one. I'll tell you that. And here's the cooling system. So the water goes in here and goes out here, and that's what failed and left my grandpa stranded. It's aluminium and it's got lots of little holes. So let's have a look what's under this cover. So these are heavy copper capacitors like this one, and they control the current of the EV's battery. And this is a fuse. So if anything goes wrong up here, the fuse will stop the car. And these are capacitors. These were one of the things that broke down when my grandpa was driving, and you can lift this up now, and this is what it looks like underneath. So the water was going in here, in this bit, and then it was somehow coming out of here, so cooling everything down. So we're going to test if the fuse is still intact to see if it was part of the problem. So it shows almost no resistance, which means it's intact, so it wasn't part of the problem. So now we're going to take the copper conductors out and have a closer look at what's under them, I guess. So with this, the power comes through these, and then with these it comes out. I don't know a whole lot about this bit, but I know that bit for sure. We don't know what this is, but we're pretty sure it's a magnet because it says Magnetech. And it can't come apart, we don't know why. But yeah. So I've been wondering if I can take this off, and I've unscrewed a few parts, and I figured out I can. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I guess that's what it looks like. Yes, sir.
Hello, Will. And then there's a couple more little screws.
Okay.
Yep. That one there.
Okay. Wait, so we'll
Need another bit for that.
Yes. We need a little bit. So now that we've gotten this layer out of the way, we're going to see what's underneath. I'm pretty sure that the main computer is under. Yes, so this bit right here is the main computer chip. It's pretty small compared to everything else. And this bit is some sort of power supply with a fuse attached to it. Then these are coils to sense the
Current.
Yeah. And we don't know what's under here, so we might take it off to see. Taking most of the screws out off camera, but we're going to take off these last two and see. So these are like current sensors, I'm pretty sure. And you can take them off once you've got the nail off. Yeah, it can just slide off kind of. And then this is the main computer board, and then this bit that's got that number 59 is the main computer chip. And the reason why this is cased in aluminium is because so that the water can go through and cool it. This is kind of like a plastic case. And then underneath that we've got something. We don't know what it is, but we are pretty sure it's to help the cooling. And it's extremely satisfying to touch. Yes, so we think it's to help cool it. And this bit we're going to take off soon. So the cooling kind of comes through here and then circulates around this and into here. There's this kind of thing and we don't really know what it is, so we're going to take a look. It's kind of looks weird. You might be able to slide it out of this, I don't know. We kind of finished with the engine, so we're trying to figure out what's actually inside those bits of plastic. So my grandpa's using what's it called? Whatever.
We're interested because there's stuff in there that seems to be magnetic.
So it's kind of sticking to his chisel. Does it stick to this? Yeah, it's like sticking to his chisel when he And I need to feel if it's satisfying. I will not be satisfied if I don't know.
It's graphite.
Oh.
That's what it is.
What's graphite?
Look at that. Just layers and layers of graphite.
And this is what happens.
No, I don't know. Is graphite magnetic? I'm not sure.
So yeah, I guess that's what's inside the plastic. It feels a bit satisfying. I don't know.
Oh well, that's the end of that.
So that was the end of this whole computer system, and you can see from how complex it is why it's worth $10,000. We've decided not to put it together again, so the parts are just lying out on the side. It would be too much work, and we are never going to use this again. Yeah, so
So bye-bye.
bye.